Each region in Indonesia boasts of its own uniqueness. One of Indonesia's cultural wealth is the batik, which is a cloth or fabric with drawings designed by using a specific creation technique. As a central bank, Bank Indonesia supports the preservation of Indonesian culture by the efforts of the small and medium enterprises or SMEs in creative industries and the benefit it brings to stimulate exports. Bank Indonesia takes an active hand in developing the SMEs to support their growth and role as locomotives for the domestic economy, empowering them to increase their economic capacity, enhance financing sustainability, and to promote the utilization of the non-cash transaction. Aceh embroidery bags are one of the superior products made by the people of Menasah Rayak Village, Nisam Sub-District, North Aceh Regency. The bags are designed with motifs such as Pinto Aceh, Rumoh Aceh, and Bungong Jempa.
Memang barang kami udah produksi ke luar negeri, tapi kualitas mana, bagaimana menghadapi konsumen dari luar negeri itu kami tidak tahu. Tapi setelah dibina oleh Bank Indonesia, alhamdulillah semuanya udah tercover. Kemudian Bank Indonesia juga mempromosikan kami di berbagai event. Dari desa bisa menembus dunia, itu suatu kebanggaan.
One of South Sumatra's cultural heritage is the design and types of wastra or handmade fabrics such as songket, blongsong, tajung, and jumputan. The style can be traditional with symbolic designs or a dynamic and contemporary appearance. Personal craftsmanship, love of tradition, and the determination of the local people in the Tuan Kentang area in Palembang. The wastra gives a significant contribution to the resurgence of the creative industry in South Sumatra.
Dengan adanya bantuan binaan baik itu secara pelatihan pembukuan, kemudian marketing, kami bisa menjual produk lebih banyak dibandingkan sebelum adanya binaan BI.
Cual is a typical woven fabric of Bangka, and the word refers to the step when the threads are dyed at the early stage. Cual woven usually woven by craftswomen and made through a complicated dyeing process.
Jadi kami mengharapkan untuk kerjasama pelatihannya tidak sampai di sini aja, mungkin nanti di kota Mentok atau nanti di tahun 2019 kami mengharapkan bisa ada di kota Pangkal Pinang ataupun di kota-kota lainnya.
Batik Papringan is produced by a group of craftswomen in Papringan village in Purwokerto, Central Java. Etchings of wax-resistant dye creates artistic and beautiful batiks. In addition, there are also other motifs that have the distinctive features of Papringan batik, such as Gunungan motif, Semen Kerni motif, and Pring Sedapur motif. The motif was inspired by Papringan village's natural wealth. The Madura batiks of Tanjung Bumi have many motifs and are well known among locals and foreigners. Batik Jogotoli has dominant colors such as red, green, yellow, and blue that reflects the values in Madura society. This batik has distinctive patterns such as roots and silk Malaya.
Dari aspek pemasaran, alhamdulillah kami terbantu oleh Bank Indonesia karena fasilitasi keikutsertaan dalam pameran-pameran besar. Dan itu sangat membantu untuk kami dalam memasarkan dan menjual produk pada pelanggan-pelanggan potensial.
Woven Songket of Jembrana is a cultural heritage that must be preserved because of its very close relation to the history of the ancient kingdom in Jembrana Regency. Songket of Jembrana has some original motifs and distinctive shapes.
Kami merasakan manfaat yang sangat besar setelah dibina oleh Bank Indonesia KPW Bali, baik secara kualitas, kuantitas, dan produktivitas bagi kelompok tenun Putri Mas.
Another unique handicraft from Bali is their accessories product. Bora Silver has jewelry made of silver with patterns inspired by ancestral heritage such as bunbunan, jawan, tatahan patterns, and adapt from natural things such as leaves, flowers, and mushroom plants.
Jadi di sini Bank Indonesia berperan sangat luar biasa terhadap usaha saya karena sudah memberi saya kesempatan untuk mempromosikan karya saya baik di dalam negeri maupun di luar negeri.
Tarum Songket woven fabric is made using natural dyes coming from plant leaves. It has a more contemporary concept with colors and motifs that follow market trends.
Saya juga jadi binaan Bank Indonesia melalui WUBI, Wirausaha Muda Bank Indonesia, dengan difasilitasi sekolah 1 tahun ke Bogor. Sepulang dari sana, saya bisa merancang desain dan difasilitasi oleh Bank Indonesia seperti fashion show waktu ini di Bali Fashion Tendance, terus event-event di Jakarta, pameran.
This sculpture carving craft is made from coconut shell, which is then carved into a beautiful work of art. The art of coconut shell carving is handed down from generation to generation in Bali. From the skilled hands of the craftsman comes exquisite sculptural works produced from animal bones. The bones used range from fish, cow, buffalo, or elephant tusks. Traditional Balinese wood carving crafts are designed with neat carving details and uses high-quality raw materials. Batik Tenun V is a local brand from Balikpapan, East Borneo, Indonesia. All products are handmade and reflect the natural beauty of Balikpapan and Borneo. Rattan, beading, and fine embroidery is another of East Borneo's spectacular artistic expression.
Setelah menjadi binaan Bank Indonesia itu kami dapat banyak belajar, manfaatnya itu luar biasa. Seperti contohnya tentang motif, tentang pewarnaan, tentang tren, dan juga tentang bagaimana pemasaran yang harus dilakukan.
The hand embroidery fabric of Karawo is handmade through the process of design, cutting, pulling out threads, embroidery, and tying. It demands the patience, tenacity, and precision of the craftspeople.
Hal yang sangat kami syukuri adalah bagaimana peran serta Bank Indonesia untuk kemajuan Karawo yang ada di Gorontalo itu menjadi terbuka lebih luas lagi. Di sisi lain juga Bank Indonesia sangat mendukung kami dan meminta kami untuk mempersiapkan pasar ekspor.
Pearlcraft from Lombok is made with a touch of design inspired by natural wealth. The pearl accessories are made from a mix of pearl and precious metals wrapped in gems and gives a luxurious impressions when worn.
Terima kasih kami sampaikan, semoga Bank Indonesia NTB maju, berjaya dan sukses untuk mengayomi, mendukung seluruh UKM pengrajin se-NTB.
Woven fabric of Peringasela has various motifs, and each motif has its own history.
Dan kami membuka usaha ini, tenun ini dari tahun 2000. Bank Indonesia membina kami ini kurang lebih sudah 2 tahun untuk tenun, khususnya pewarnaan alam. Bank Indonesia juga memberikan kami salah satu program studi banding peningkatan mutu, kualitas, dan mencari pasar.
The woven fabric of East Nusa Tenggara, or NTT, generally depicts a relation between human and nature. This philosophy manifests itself in many symbols and images, such as of a powerful king with his wife and dignified consort. Besides the symbolic meanings, the material of plants used as the natural dyes stresses that nature and the environment need to be preserved for their sustainability.
BI juga tidak tinggal diam. BI tetap membawa kami di dalam event-event yang berharga atau event-event yang bagus, baik di Jakarta dan di daerah-daerah lainnya, sehingga kami dapat memasarkan produk kita dengan secara baik dan bagus.
Bank Indonesia supports the creation of new economic activities by assisting the development of small and medium enterprises, aims to increase small and medium enterprises' contribution to national economy. With working together, we can deliver Indonesian small and medium enterprises to penetrate export markets.